Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to Eyes on Tools.
Here's a complete collection launch video for an activewear brand. Multiple products, multiple scenes, same model throughout. And here's what's wild. I made this entire thing on one canvas. No switching between Mid-Journey, Runway, Kling, and 5 other tabs. Everything happened in one place. Let me show you how.
So don't forget to like the video, subscribe if you haven't, and tell me in the comments which AI tools should be next on the list.
Let me show you how easy it is to find Masonry. Just open up your browser, I'm using Chrome here, and in the search bar, type Masonry AI. Hit enter, and right at the top of the results, you'll see the official website, masonry.so. Click that, and you're in. Masonry is a browser-based canvas that lets you generate and compare images and videos across 50 plus models in one place, side by side, like a Figma-style workspace for AI content. It is built for creators and marketers who need output fast but still want options. It's also useful for small teams because it's easier to align when everyone is looking at the same canvas. The promise is not one perfect result. The promise is speed plus comparison. One place to try, pick, remix, and move on. Inside the workspace, you can prompt multiple models at once, view results as they appear, organize outputs visually, and iterate without switching tools. Everything lives on a single canvas, making experimentation feel fluid instead of fragmented. Whether you're exploring visual concepts, testing campaign ideas, or producing final assets, Masonry keeps the process fast, collaborative, and flexible, so you can spend less time managing tools and more time making creative decisions. When you land inside Masonry, you see the home screen with quick actions. Generate image, edit image, generate video, upscale image, remove background. I start with the canvas and a clear plan. I need 3 things: a hero product shot, 2 lifestyle shots for variation, and then motion, so I can cut a 20-second video. So today I'm going to show you my experience using Masonry. And honestly, this completely changed how I think about AI image creation. I started by uploading my product catalog image from Gymshark. Then I uploaded my model's image. After that, I simply asked Masonry to place the outfit from the first image onto the model in the second image, while keeping the model's original pose and background. And here's where things got impressive. Masonry has this incredible feature where it can generate results using multiple models at the same time. So within just a few seconds, it produced several high-quality image variations. I could instantly preview them and choose the one that best matched my vision. No manual editing, no complicated setup, just fast, clean results. Next, I pushed it further. I asked Masonry to change the background to an outdoor gym vibe. This time, I selected Nano Banana Pro as the model engine, and wow, the result was spot on. It added realistic lighting, natural shadows, and a believable outdoor gym environment, all while keeping the model outfit and proportions perfectly intact. Then I tried another variation. I asked Masonry to generate a similar image but in an indoor gym at night, and it delivered. The scene lighting shifted to a nighttime gym atmosphere with accurate reflections and shadow depth while preserving the realism of the original model. But I didn't stop there. I gave Masonry a more complex prompt. Make the model doing yoga in an indoor gym in Los Angeles, California, late at night. And this is where it really surprised me. This time, Masonry actually adjusted the model's posture into a natural stretching yoga pose without breaking realism, without distorting the outfit, and without losing consistency. In the second try, I started by importing an image of my model. Then, I added a separate image of an outfit I wanted the model to wear. After that, I simply asked Masonry to replace the model's outfit with the one from the imported clothing image, while keeping the model's body shape, pose, and realism intact. And here's the crazy part. In less than 10 seconds, Masonry generated a photorealistic result that matched my prompt exactly. No weird distortions, no broken anatomy, just a clean, professional-looking fashion image, as if it came straight from a real photo shoot. Then I took it a step further. I edited the generated image again, and asked Masonry to transform the scene, making the model look like she's training in an indoor gym in Los Angeles, California in the early morning. And once again, it delivered. Soft morning light coming through windows, realistic gym equipment in the background, natural shadows and reflections, and the outfit stayed perfectly consistent. Next, I decided to repeat the same workflow, but this time with a completely different outfit. I imported a new Gymshark outfit directly from my brand's catalog, then asked Masonry to place the outfit from the first image onto my model. For this step, I used the Nano Banana Pro Generation model. After testing several different models earlier, I had already realized that Nano Banana Pro delivers the strongest results for this kind of fashion-based image generation. In just a few seconds, Masonry generated a clean, high-quality image of my model wearing the new outfit. The result looked realistic right from the start, but what made the process truly powerful was how easily the image could be edited further. Instead of starting from scratch, I could take the generated image and continue building on it creatively. So I pushed the edit further and asked Masonry to transform the scene. I wanted the model to appear as if she was working out with gym equipment in an indoor gym in Los Angeles, California, late at night. Once again, Masonry delivered exactly what I had in mind. The environment changed seamlessly into a nighttime gym setting, complete with realistic lighting, shadows, and reflections. At the same time, the model's body structure and the outfit remained perfectly consistent, with no distortion or loss of detail. The first chapter has come to a close. Now, chapter 2 begins. Once my images were ready, I switched to Kling Pro 2.1 to transform them into real videos. The process was surprisingly simple. First, I selected the image I wanted to animate. Then, I imported the prompt I had generated earlier with ChatGPT to guide the motion and scene behavior. After that, I chose the video ratio and the duration, and within a few seconds, Kling Pro 2.1 took over the rest of the work. What came out was genuinely impressive, a realistic video featuring my model working out, wearing my brand's outfit, moving naturally in a gym environment. The motion felt smooth, the lighting stayed consistent, and the outfit and body proportions remained perfectly intact. To push things even further, I repeated the same workflow one more time, this time using the model's yoga images. I selected the generated yoga scene, imported my prompt again, set the video ratio and duration, and let Kling Pro 2.1 handle the animation. Just a few seconds later, the result was ready. And honestly, this is where it completely blew my mind. The model moved with natural, fluid motion, as if filmed by a professional camera crew. The camera movement felt cinematic, smooth, and intentional, giving the scene a high-end production quality. The final touch truly amazed me. The video ended with a smooth fade into a city skyline, transitioning perfectly from the yoga scene to an urban night atmosphere. This time, I wanted to bring my model to life in a completely different way, walking confidently at night through the streets of Los Angeles wearing the same outfit from the image. I used Kling Pro 2.1 again, added my prompt, set the duration, and hit go. In just a few seconds, it delivered flawlessly. The video captured not just the motion, but the confidence in her walk, the stride, the posture, the attitude. Everything felt natural, cinematic, and alive, like a real nighttime fashion shoot on the streets of LA. Remember that Gymshark outfit we created earlier? Now it's time to show you exactly why I generated it, all to help craft the video exactly the way I imagined. When I select the image, it automatically sets the start frame of the video, giving a perfect foundation. For even more control, you can also import a last frame to guide how the final scene should look, helping the model transition naturally. Then we paste our prompt, and just like before, the result is absolutely magnificent. Smooth, realistic, and ready for a professional-looking video. Last step, take your winners and bring them together. I'm pulling my final clips from the canvas. The organization I did throughout the project makes this easy. I know exactly which ones are my selects. Into an editing tool, simple cuts, timing, transitions, build a rhythm, and here's the result, a complete collection launch video, all built on one Masonry canvas, no tab chaos, no version confusion, no re-uploading the same image to 5 different tools. Masonry gives you one canvas, like Figma, but for AI images and videos. Your catalog images, your background edits, your video generations, your iterations,